ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Marcus and Mara ubade Myntri ka sarkar jala bapai igatanat public health engineering haka arsa utrik ujle arja apsa Leit bo unsule jurib hi daladi man sakhi dalagi jongki khmat namar gijing opadang yaki babun gijing Ujor baga project penpoi sakishnong ki thawling baga jal jivan mission kamshim lala asatya ban urlong kumbala thumu haka jing ekran bigala pathai khubor Marcus Marang Leit ru ba hadu menta kajing pitre kami ka project jong jal jivan mission kalakkat hadu prapho nak shispa haka jala brok hwe bat hadu san point khat saw lak tli ki thliu yeng kla yo eki kor hadu ka phlau yeng
JJM project is still undergoing, so whatever complaints are there, we are trying to attend to that complaints, and I'll be reviewing now because MCC just looked at, and then I'll be touring the state. I'll make sure that whatever complaints are coming, I'll make sure that that is attended. Complaints from the Chibanang area, I've already directed the department to send the officials. Officials has gone, talked to the people, and people are very happy. It came back in the newspaper also. So we are trying to rectify whatever complaints are there. See, JJM is an ongoing project. There will be definitely some issues and concerns. We will try to rectify that.
So what is
80% now? 80%. 80%. That is 5 lakh is 14,000 something.